Welcome back to the Culture of Currency, where we have another Wall Street Journal market report here, giving you a macro look of how our friends in the metals did over a pretty crazy week overall. So it'll be interesting to see if silver, gold, copper, and all the like held true, stayed above in the positive, or kind of went under this week. So that being said, let's go ahead and get to it, huh? So as always, we'll start with our indexes. We have our Dow Jones Industrial, as we see over here, ended the week high at a 1.39%. Last week was a little bit rough, but notice the trend. I highlighted in purple so that you can see it is kind of at a plateau right now, which this is, still Q1. Q1 tends to be a little bit muddy, but we have our year to date at this point, basically 3-month look, December, January, February. But yeah, we're plateauing a little bit there. That'll be interesting to see what it basically comes of this, given a crazy end of the week. S&P 500 right here, up right there, 1.6 almost percent, 1.59. Not bad there, but also a little bit of a plateau, as you can see. So everything is still moving and nothing has gone down. Everything seems to be stable as of right now. But what will the future hold? I don't know. Here's the one that's interesting, the composite. Right here, up 1.63, so it's mirroring the others. But look at the trajectory of this composite index. Pretty crazy there. All-time high is 20,173, and we're at 18,847. So that's a little bit interesting. But now my favorite part is tracking our winners and losers. So let me zoom into this right quick so that you get an idea. A couple of things of note right here at the top. S&P financials, banks and things like that, and real estate also up, which is interesting. As you know, interest rates and real estate has been crazy. We know that investors like BlackRock and Vanguard and all these others were sitting there buying up to a quarter of the homes in the height of COVID, which makes me wonder if there was something, maybe legislation that said, hey, there's an emergency. There's lots of homes that are hard for Americans to get, so you have a year to basically offload your homes if you are investor corporations like that. And then we would have supply in the marketplace like crazy. The demand for many, many areas of the nation where home prices have soared and taxes therefore have soared would be relieved because the demand would go away, so on and so forth. But yeah, just an interesting thing. Sorry, went on a little rant there. But yeah, real estate is up, which is very, very interesting. We have our S&P 500 industrials right there at a 1.12. Dow Jones we talked about, sitting at 95, almost a full percentage. The dollar much stronger this week. We have our line of demarcation right here, which means everything below is a loser for the week, which means, since we haven't seen a couple of our favorite metals, that finally we've seen some tumbling in the price of gold and silver. So let's keep going down. Right there is our oil marker, almost a full percentage down. So that'll be interesting to see if we see any change at the pump. I know I filled up last week and it did seem a little bit lower, so that might be that trend. And looky here, our friend copper, who once again had a couple of good weeks, is now down a full percentage point. And we have the Canadian dollar down here, struggling, but not, too bad, only 1.64%. We have to keep on going. Let me move my paper. We're just going to keep on going down. As you can see, a rough week for a lot of things. There's gold, negative 3.53. So it's still definitely up for the year. It's had many strong weeks, but it took a pretty hard hit this week. And you know what else took a hard hit this week? Our friend silver. negative 5.43, and we see wheat at the bottom at almost 9%. So maybe that bread's going to be cheaper at the market. We'll see. But silver and gold getting hit. Our friends, our dear friends. But that's okay, because that means I get to go buy some, and I did. I put in an order yesterday, so if you are a channel member, you probably already know what I got, because I put it in the, what do you call that, my Discord server. But if you are not a channel member, then you probably have no idea. But I did go spend $100 on premium silver, as has been my tradition for some time now. So we'll have an unboxing video there, and we're going to have an amazing giveaway coming up, including an ounce of silver from the Check Stacker. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, please remember to stay classy and current with the culture of currency.